What's up? Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's get this up. YouTube, what's happening? Feels like it's been a minute. Hope you guys have been doing good. Hope you guys trading has been going well. As mentioned, we just did like a private week just with MFX members last week. It was awesome. But we're back on YouTube now to obviously trade live with you guys as well. Monday to Thursday. Mark Pillay, yes, man, it's been a while. Good to see you again. Tashi Lane, what's happening? MFX members, what's happening? Want to talk to on GJ? Yeah. I did see you guys post analysis this morning. We can go through it now. 100%. Morning, it's been a minute. Yes, brother. Yeah. So I haven't been on YouTube for like a week, but I've been live every day with my MFX members the whole of last week. So yeah, I think we can kick off today with a nice little bang. We can start off with a little giveaway, just to keep you guys on your toes. That is what I'll be doing throughout the session. First and foremost, I actually want to just go through the charts, especially GJ. Have a look at that, and then also have a look at gold. Okay, guys, I think we are ready. Let's have a look at these charts. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's have a look. Right, GJ closing last week. So this is something that I actually spoke about the MFX members last week. Was we were at this resistance point at the level 192,500. So this was liquidity right there, right? Price has been sitting there for a hot minute, literally since March. Then retested now in August and testing that level again in now end of September. Eventually breaking through it last week. I think that was last week Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Around Thursday, we actually started to pierce through those levels and started to drive. This is actually something we planned out on GJ last week. Was mentioning the fact that you're in liquidity right now. In hindsight, what was supposed to happen was, and this is how you can pretty much take advantage of that. What's supposed to happen is because you got liquidity right there, you've got this large rejection, then price closing back bearish. If we were to continue with those sells, price literally should have tapped in and started to flip and drive down. Because what you have on this weekly is a range high and range low, right? So essentially what should have happened was, as price rejected liquidity right there, as it had broken those lows, it should have went further down. However, when we had a look at the chart and we started to form this bottom wick like that, okay, first and foremost, I just want to point out that it closed strong in liquidity at that quarter pip. And then once it started to make this bottom wick, break those lows, pretty much tap into the equal lows of the previous weeks, and then start to drive above the bodies. That was already my mind telling me that, you know what, there's a high possibility that we can wick for that because of the reason that we are rejecting price like that. And if price was going to go, it would have obviously then dropped from that level already. So when I saw price start to actually break these levels, that's when I anticipate, you know what, because we are doing that, there's a high probability that we could actually come and fill in last week's wick, which was now last week, right? And that's what we did. So now looking at going forward, guys, there's two things I need to understand now. First and foremost, we've pretty much filled the liquidity already, which means that at QP right now, people are going to close off positions. However, does that mean it's sell time? No. Okay, we need to drop down to the lower time frame to see what is actually happening. Okay, so then we go ahead and pop into my daily. This one thing I just want to pop into is just look at OANDA and see how their candle closures is, because on Forex.com, I'm 100% sure that that is not how price actually closed last week. So if I go back to OANDA, I can see that's pretty much how it closed. So what I'm going to do right now is actually just mark in the current daily high as well as the current daily low. And why I'm saying so is because if we're going to re-break the current high, I'm going to anticipate that. See, I don't use OANDA's chart, I just want to show you. Let's get that up. Yeah, so if we're going to go break last week's high, you can see that this candle on the daily pretty much engulfed the previous. That's already giving me the idea that if we're going to re-break not only Friday's high, which was heavily affected by NFP, by the way, but I feel like that's also because of the war that's going on at the moment. If we are to re-break the current daily high, I'm going to anticipate price continue driving, even though you're overall bearish. But we'll chat about that now. So that is how the candle obviously looks on the daily. So I actually need to go and mark in current daily high, current daily low. And there's two things that I'm noticing right here. I have a bodily, at the moment it's going to be support on the daily. So trying to sell directly beneath the current daily low might be tough, okay? Because you could literally use this area as liquidity to turn and continue driving up, okay? So keep that in mind as we are looking for positions today. It's, even though you're overall bearish, look at it, overall bearish, it's not going to be that easy to sell today. Why? Because I've got my daily bodies right there, okay? So that is something to pay attention to. Dropping down to that 4 hour, let's go ahead and mark in my current supply and demand levels, which actually is going to be my current daily high and current daily low. It just happens to be the price form like that. And yeah, this we can obviously put in gray. That's the only 4 levels I'm gonna add in, to be very honest with you. If I look to the left, it's nothing else that I want to add in. These wicks I'll use to my advantage. Delta A, nothing I need to add in there as well. Can you get priced at 193,245 as possible targets if I'm shorting, but kind of don't feel like that's the case today, to be honest with you. And then let me just go ahead and tweak these here. I'm gonna leave that like that actually. And then I'm gonna add in my 30-minute level right there. Okay, so this is what I want to mention right now as I get onto these charts. Okay, looking at the 4-hour guys, we have our supply and demand levels 100%, right? And if I look what price has just done, there's 2 things I want to mention. Yes, it made its top wick at liquidity. It's rejecting all of that nice stuff. Awesome. Then breaking the lows. Why is price sitting there? Why is it not continue going further? If I pop to this daily, as I've mentioned, I've got liquidity right there. And this is going to be that area where it's going to be tough to actually break through. So the best thing for us to do if we're wanting to sell is to see price sit beneath the level, form that 15 or 30-minute resistance, and then look to short price down. Okay? Because personally, I don't feel like it's going to short down right now. We need to wait for confirmations. Confirmation for me personally on this 30-minute is going to be this candle. What's time now? 30, right? So it's going to be this candle closing bearish beneath the level. That's what I want to see right now. 30-minute levels, I don't think I'm going to add in more. I think I'm more so rather just going to add in a target area, but not an actual level. Let's make this a light green. Oh, that looks terrible. Let's just make it green. And it's pretty much going to go like this, guys. So one thing I need you guys to understand is if we look at this bias, that 4-hour, let's have a run through quickly, just so YouTube, you guys can also get an idea, because obviously I wasn't with you last week, so let's get an idea as to where price actually is right now. So if we drop price back to these highs over here, there was literally no candlestick pullback on that 4-hour. You guys see that? So every candle that is bullish is just one pause candle, which means that that's high, that's low. Whatever happens here, it's all bearish on that 4-hour. Okay, popping to that 30-minute. Let's take it back here. So do we have highs? Do we have lows? You see the difference here? Here we have 2 candlestick pullback right there. You guys see that? So there I got my 2 candlestick pulling back right there, holding as support. There's my next zone. Price drives down to my liquidity lows. You guys see that? Which means that as price then popped, up, okay, that was the leg that actually broke it. Where was the candlesticks that broke it though? So it's going to be low, high, price drives, there's my high, there's my low, price drives again, retests and drives. So there's high, there's low. Okay, that's the bullish leg. Comes back down and drives all the way down to that point right there. There's my 2 candlestick pullback right there, which means that high is there. Sorry, not high there. High is there, low is there, makes another attempt to drive down. It actually does so. High is there, low is there, and then price starts to drive back up. Then you've got your drive, pullback, drive, pullback. You've got low to your next drive, pullback, drive, low, right? Then what does price do? Price goes ahead and actually breaks this low right there. So it breaks that, pulls back, drives, equal lows, makes another attempt to the downside, makes a new low. So I've got highs over there, lows over there. So what is structure right now? If we've just broken that high, so if we think about it, price was bearish at this point. Okay? Why was it bearish? It was bearish because it broke the low right there. Continued that momentum to the downside, broke that low, broke that low, broke that low, which means that the nearest high was going to be there because that's the leg where it came from for that final drop. There's my low. Price then pushes up, gives me the pullback there, equal highs, so it doesn't really matter. But what's the main thing? The main thing is that you broke that area right there. Breaking those highs means that it's flipping price back bullish, which means what? 30 minutes bullish, boys. 30 minutes is bullish. And where is it bullish until? Let's clear this up. Okay, should be clear, right? Where is it bullish until? That's going to be bullish until these lows right there. So literally the leg right now is there and there. So for me to sell it, is that not silly? I think it's very silly. Why? Because the first thing that I pointed out when I hopped onto the chart, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be hard to short the market when there's liquidity right there. Remember? There's my first confluence. Second confluence. Pop into that weekly. Such a strong Mariposa candle. Yes, we're going to be taking orders off because I mean it's quarter pip right there. People's going to be taking orders off, but does that mean it's time to sell? Like I mentioned when I started the stream, it does not. Okay, then pop into that that 4 hour. Here's another confluence right now with 4 hour closing above said quarter pip, retesting, holding support, breaking the lows and failing to break the lows at the flip of the high. It's not wise to look for longs. Yes, it is. What's my problem though? My problem is that I've got QP right there. However, in today's scenario, it might just be worth that risk to take the flip. Okay? Popping down to this 30-minute candle. This is a textbook scenario that I thrive on. Why? Because you have support levels of your micro. Support breaks, it fakes out a lot of early sellers because they aren't waiting for break of the lows. Okay? Then what happens is this candle throws us right back in the zone. Okay? Once we get closure above the zone, guys, we're going to look for a retest and take a type. What? Can anybody tell me what type would it be? As an engulfing candle in continuation with the structure. Remember, 30 minutes bullish right now. Any takers? Any takers? Type 2. Clear as day. Literally clear as day, boys. Okay? So that's simply what I'm going to be waiting for this morning. I've got another confirmation right there. There's my confirmation. On the 15. Why won't I take it on the 15? I can literally take it at the break of those 15 highs. The setup is there. I've got my 5-minute support right there. The break of the highs, price should drive. The only issue I'm going to have with this current setup is that my area is right at the quarter. That's the only issue I have. Other than that, everything is 100% spot on. Okay? So this is going to be the setup for me today, ladies and gentlemen. I am going to be looking for aggressive buys right there, safe buys right there, safe buys right there, and this area right here for now is going to be a no trade range until it can break this area. Why? Because if I go back to that daily, there's the body right there. I do not want to take this position, so I don't want to have something like this where, let's say for example, now we get involved, let's say there, okay, and we do stop losses or whatever the case may be, and then the issue that I'm facing is the area right there. How much pips is that anyway? Just shy of 10. Is that enough for me? It's not enough for me. So for me personally, boys, I'm going to wait for price to actually trade beneath this level. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add another zone. So I'm going to add in another level there. And even though, you know what, I actually really like the idea of waiting as well. Because remember, we're over bullish on that 30. So price could even do this and sink to here. And I could still look for buys. However, I don't want to sell into this. I don't want to sell into that. I'd rather wait for clearer LTA where the zone is even more clear, where I'm beneath that area, I'm beneath that area, I'm beneath that area. I then look to take it into that clean sweeping LTA over there. The nearest point of possible rejection is there. And how far away is that? Literally 30 pips. So patience will pay over here. Okay? So this is going to be the plan for me today. So here I can do aggressive buys. Yeah, I can do safer buys. This will be my no trade range right here. And this will be my aggressive sell area. Okay. So this is the setup for me today. I feel like it's very straightforward. It did take obviously a bit of explaining, but as long as you guys can understand why I would trade in the areas that I would, put a W in the chat for me. Let's see how that looks. If you have any questions, let me know before I do go on to gold. Okay. Let's give me a second quickly, guys. Okay, okay, so everybody gets it, everybody understands GJ. Let's see. Good explanation, bro, appreciate it. Carl, what's happening, brother? Hope you're doing good. Space Cadet, what's happening? Reporting for pips, great. Carl, bang NFP, yes, NFP did bang last week. Divan, good morning, brother. Okay, guys, today I'm going to be doing a $10,000 giveaway with Vault Funder. We're going to be giving away a $10,000 Vault Funder challenge. So let's make today a bit different, actually. Okay, we're going to wait for that London open. Good morning, brother. How are you? Lekker, man. Lekker. No complaints. Yes, sir. I did. Already. I see it, yeah. The thing is, when you did your analysis, that is what made sense to you at that point. So I would allow the trade to play out. Because the thing is, I can tell you now, if GG is going to break that level, that's going to drive. That's going to go down. Remember, just because we are bullish doesn't mean we can retrace. Doesn't mean we can't retrace. So price can literally come to here and I'll still look for longs. Only until it can break that, I'll look for shorts. Because if we dude, I think possibly for the past month, all the GJ trades we've been getting has been this sort of idea. We have that pause candle and we take it at the break. So here's another pause candle. If it breaks there, it's going to short. If it was a different area, I would be taking sells right now because this is a type 4. Type 4? No, this is a type 3. This is a type 3. So this is your counter on your bullish trend. price is closing below. This is price grabbing liquidity right now. If it breaks that floor, you sell it. However,
Yeah.
because, well, I recommend we don't, because obviously we have that daily open over here. So there's all the daily opens right there. We've got the close and open right there, which is going to act as a support or resistance. In this case, a support. You with UVTP for sure. Yeah. So if I was you personally, whatever the outcome is, I would just, say for example, Millennia FX wasn't here, I would just allow that trade to play out so you can learn from it. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Yeah. I hear you. Yeah, I just let it run, dude. Obviously, it's your account, your mention, but if this was me, I would let the trade run. In actual fact, I would want price to close bearish beneath this so it can give me a level of resistance. A bearish candle, level of resistance, the break of the lows should drive price down. But you understand, like, why I'm not looking for sales right now. 100%. For sure, yeah. Look, if yeah. Look at this point. If this candle's gonna close bearish engulfing on the 15, retap, grab liquidity, this would be a setup that I'll take any day. But why I'm not going to is because of that level right there. It's just not enough runoff. It's not enough runoff area for me. You with me? Okay, sorted, lacquer. YouTube, are we good? What's happening, YouTube? You guys are quiet. How have you been? Miles, the support was not there. Would you just have wanted? Miles, the daily support was not there. Would you just have wanted to just get price action below 194,485? Which is that top here to the left? Like here. Like here. Yeah. I think if price can get beneath there, I think it'll drop, to be honest. Okay, guys. While we wait, we've got 3 minutes to London Open. Put a 1 in the chat if I should do a Vault Funder giveaway on YouTube live right now. It's going to be $10,000 Vault Funder challenge giveaway. Drop a 1 in the chat if you want to see that happen right now. We got 45 viewers. In the meantime, let's hit that like button. Let's hit that subscribe button. We do this every day live on YouTube for free. We call these trades. Let's see those ones, boys. Let's see those ones. And then just to let know, if you've won a challenge before, you can win again. Okay, so I think for this giveaway, guys, let's make it quite simple. Nothing too crazy. Just go ahead and comment on the previous video. That's all. And also just subscribe to the channel and like the stream. But before I do the giveaway, there's 45 viewers. We need 40 likes in order for me to do that giveaway right now. It's out of curiosity. I'm not going to change the giveaway, but if you'd prefer a month of free mentorship and guidance from myself, put a 2. And obviously, if you'd want the $10,000 Vault Funder challenge, put a 1. It's out of curiosity. Let me actually throw a poll up. Let's throw a poll. How did I do that? So there's a poll there. 1 is for the Vault Fund Challenge, 2 is for the mentorship. So curiosity. What are you guys more interested in? Just vote in the poll. Let's check. Let's check who wins. Not gonna change it. I'm gonna still do the Vault Fund Challenge giveaway, but just out of curiosity. What would you guys prefer in future? $10,000 challenge, or a month with myself and my members, which gives you access to our entire course, gives you access to our mentorship, our guidance, our live trading, Monday to Friday, all that good stuff, which is valued at $59 for a month. Okay, London open. Resistance has been formed. Price has closed beneath again. Nothing for me personally as of yet. We have to wait. I didn't even see that. Let's see what that. Let's check. Okay, we need 10 more likes till the giveaway. So at this point, if I had to take a GJ setup now and that area wasn't there of that liquidity, this would be the setup for me right now. The setup would be at the break of the lows. My stop loss would be there for 31 pips. I would then target 10, and then the full position would be like at 34 pips. But because of the area, I would obviously lay off. Where did I see it? Okay, so obviously it's quite clear to see that most people want the education, which is good. How about we do this? Let's do 2 giveaways today. I'll give away a $10,000 Vault Funded Challenge as well as 1 month free mentorship with myself. Yeah, let's do that. Put it down in the chat if you want that. Let's get those likes to 40 on the current stream. Then go to last week's, the previous video, because obviously I didn't stream on YouTube last week. But the previous video, it's going to be the one that streamed 10 days ago. So this one right here, 26th of the 9th, 2024. Just go comment on that video. Use that so I can obviously get your, your name, because I'll be obviously using that as the comment picker. So go comment on that video. You can literally comment anything, and then like the current stream, subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Simple as that. If you don't already follow my business pages, my Instagram pages, and I think we can do that. We can do a $10,000 Vault Funded Challenge giveaway right now, as well as 1 month free mentorship with myself for free right now. What's up, bro? I'm like you. I think so. Let's see. Oh, was that on funded or personal or HFM? Lekker. Look, it's breaking that load, so you might. How big was the slip? How big was the stop? Okay, that's solid. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, that's how I run it as well. I'll do a fixed lot on 30 pips on both GJ and gold. What is your entry? Either or. Oh wait, I have that analysis on Telegram. That's right. For sure. Yeah, no, it's not. And like I'm gonna say the whole time that liquidity is something you need to watch out for on the daily. Definitely gotta watch out for that. Yeah. Look, the daily is very important because that's where you can read your continuation anatomy from on the daily. Very, very important. Especially like a day like today, like a Monday, fresh in the week, you have to see what could happen. So yeah, that is very important. So what is your entry? Did you say did you mention your entry? What's your entry? Where are you echoing? $50 flat. So like there. And your stop is like there. So your your 10 pips is like there, right? Yeah, there's no management points for you guys. No, I'm not in the trade, guys. This is just one of the students. He did take position. I just like to see what they're doing. I'm not in the trade though. However, as I mentioned, guys, at the break of these lows, price should continue further down. One thing I'm going to mention though is as we are bullish on the 30 minute, it's going to be tough to sell it off with that daily body also sticking out quite obvious for us. However, if we can close 5 minutes beneath here, I think it's going to be good night, GJ. Look, this is a trade I'll take every day. The only reason why I'm not taking it is because of what I mentioned on the daily. Look, I would say you can actually manage the position there, because it's going to make no sense for this 50 minutes, right, to open up, grab liquidity, break lows, then re-break the highs. I personally wouldn't want to be in the trade. So I wouldn't suggest you go and lose, what was it? 37 pips? I would manage it to right there, like 26. Yeah, you save yourself 10 pips. That's what I would do personally. I would not get out at B either. If this was the trade that I took this morning and I'm still in it, I would still allow it to play off. Play out, sorry, play out. At the end of the day, you have to trust your analysis, because what you saw at that time, obviously, was like that for a reason, right? So you need to allow it to play out. It's gonna help you a lot. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't seem like you Oaks want the giveaway. So, yeah, until we hit 40 likes, boys, I'm not gonna do the giveaway. We need six more people to like the stream. Once that hits 40 likes, I'll do both giveaways. Actually get that posted on my IG as well. Get that stream link. Nah, they're not yet. Did your withdrawal come through yet? MFX, did you see what Darren did with NFB? I think you can. This man's eating sushi for the next 2 months. I'm also waiting for it. And then HFM with the top-notch withdrawals. I think my withdrawal yesterday, dude, I'm not even joking. I took like half an hour to hit my bank account. That was really quick. Mr. Funda. What happened to that dude, that Mr. Fundamental pip something? Oh, how did you do it? Can you? Yeah, I also wanna know. I also wanna know. What's going so far? Hit about 7 so far. So I missed it on Matt. Which 7? Which? That's right. Let them ask you questions. Guys, as I mentioned last week, gold I'm not touching in this range. I am not interested in gold in that range. We also had NFP last week. We have CPI coming this week. So we got CPI, I think, on Wednesday. Thursday. Yeah, so we got CPI on Thursday. So like I mentioned, boys, like I'm not touching gold in this range. I'm good. But NFP, we had NFP on Friday. But CPI price, I know he's gonna act heavily on CPI as well. And they got PPI on Friday. I'll probably do CPI with the members on Thursday. I think it'll be quite nice. So for me personally, right now on gold, this is going to be a no-go. So I'm not touching gold in this area. That's why I'm not even breaking the chart down. GJ is the one for me this morning. But just obviously waiting for price to come to those areas. And once I can get it set up, that's something I will act upon. Okay. Okay, boys, we just hit 40 likes on the stream. I think it is that time. I think it is giveaway time. Let's do that giveaway. So it's obviously come to attention with 31 people voting. 81% of you want that free mentorship. So in this case, I'm going to obviously include it as well, but I'm going to do it in... We're going to make it fun. So I'm going to do it 2 different challenges. Top 3. That'll be fun. Okay? So... all you gotta do, like the stream, subscribe, and then comment on the previous live we did, which was 10 days ago. Go check on that. Let's see how many. So this one right here. 10 days ago, just go comment anything on that stream. Reason being, I will obviously get the name picker from there. We've got 27 entrants so far. I'll give you guys like another 5 minutes. Well, let's wait till 20 past 9. If you are MFX member, you can obviously win as well. A plus setup. Okay, so as you can see over here, guys, I am getting that video from here. So you're coming here 10 days ago, click on that, getting that link. Okay. C plus setup. The only thing C about is cash. You still in, John? I didn't want to mention anything. Devin, maybe today is your day, bro. You literally have 6 possible tries. There's 6 possible tries for you to win, bro. We're not streaming for a while. Where have you gone? I've been here, brother. I've been streaming every day, but just for the MFX members. So as I mentioned before, I often stream that off stream that week. still want to see me every day, you just had to join the mentorship. That's all. So I've been streaming every day. Monday to Friday, we've been streaming, bro. Been taking trades. Just took a week off of YouTube to obviously drill nicely into my members. Make sure they're doing good. So I've still been here, brother. Okay, boys, I think I'm gonna do that giveaway now. Let's do the first giveaway. Let's do the Vault Finder Challenge giveaway. Go. I think we are ready for that. It's now a minute. Okay. It's 20 past 9 now. Let's do it. That is why I missed you. Oh, I missed you too, bro. But I'm here now. I hope you entered the giveaway. For those that don't know, and then maybe just join now, we're doing 2 giveaways today. First one is going to be a $10,000 Vault Finder Challenge. Second one will be a month for free with me and my members, which will provide you with the course, my one-on-one mentorship, accountability calls, live trading, everything you need from A to Z is going to be in that free month for you. Jordan, how's those emotions, sir? Still there? That's what I want to hear, man. Okay, guys, let's do it. Just want to show you that I'm getting that link. Where? It's fine. 100%, my brother. Very nice. Although just one thing I'm going to comment is you can't manage in liquidity. That's just one thing I have to say. Okay, guys, so we are gonna do this now. So here we can see we're gonna go to the live section. These are all the lives, by the way. There's literally like free content right here. You guys can go watch it. But we're gonna go on the previous video. We're gonna take that link, boom, copy, exit that. Jordan, you should hit your TP soon, brother. YouTube, comment picker. You got your 10 pips? Did you hit your TP? Very nice, sir. Congratulations on your win this morning. That is fire. Okay, boys, I gotta wait for 30-minute close before I can look for setup. Where's Gino gone? I don't want Gino to miss this. But yeah, let's do that giveaway quickly. While we wait, we gotta wait another 8 minutes for possible entry anyway. This is prime, the break of the floor. In liquidity now, so let's see how she reacts. But in the meantime, let's paste that link over there. This is going to be the first 3 winners. So the first 3 rolls is going to be the 3 contestants for the $10,000 Vault Finder Challenge. Okay. Can be anybody. If you won already, cool. If you're an MFX member, cool. Up to y'all. Doesn't matter. Anybody can win. Guys, I'm just going to make it a shorter duration. Let's make it 10 seconds because we're going to be doing this a lot. 3 plus 2 is obviously 7,351. Right, we got 31 entrants for today's 100% Gino. Perfect. I just don't want to. Okay, so we got 31 entrants for today's $10,000 Vault Finder Challenge. The first 3 rolls are going to be the winners. That's going to go into the, what do you call it, showdown or whatever. Okay, rolling for the first contestant. Contestant number 1. Who are you? Let's see who this is. Jordan. Jordan, are you here? B. Give me the lots of numbers. I was waiting for Timmons' comment. Hectic. Yeah, I think Jordan and Mark are in cahoots. Yes, so this one is for the $10,000 Vault Finance Challenge. But remember, there's gonna be the top three, and then I'm gonna do elimination. Okay, next we're gonna, guys. It's not me picking him. It's literally AI generated. So this ain't me, man. Before people start shouting, yeah. Okay, let's do it again. If it lands on his name again, that's a problem. Because we can't have him twice. Then we know there's something. He's doing something. He's doing something. So what? Oh, it's too late for that. Charles, is Charles here? Does he follow? Does he like the stream? Does he follow? Does he comment? Okay, boys. So, the first two contestants, Charles and Jordan, they are in the game, bro. They're in the game. Who's the last contestant for the $10,000 challenge? Okay. Third entrant. Let's see who this is. Who's gonna be number 3? Knowles. Nolan Naidu. Wait, this is Knowles, right? Knowles, this is you. It's Knowles, yeah. Hello, Bowser. Okay, so top 3: Jordan, Charles, Knowles. Let's play elimination, please. This is crazy. What did I want to? Wheel of names. Okay, why is Jordan's name here already? Is this guy hacking the system or something? Okay, boys. Let's make it fun. I smart to prolong this thing. Make you guys stress. It's good. It's good. It's gonna teach your patience. it's gonna teach your patience. Devon squad, guys. Devon is squad. Devon is squad. He has aimbot. Okay, guys. That 30-minute closure is coming in the next 3 minutes. I'm actually just gonna put a price alert if you do break. Remember, I only want price there. Okay, so let's shuffle this a couple times. The last name standing is going to be the winner of the $10,000 Vault Finance Challenge. Oh, Charles, he's out the game. He has one more. Shame if landed on Charles again, I was going to be worried. Knowles. Yo, Jordan, guys. Jordan's lucky today. Never mind. Really? Okay, I won't say anything. Oh, Knowles. So sorry, my brother. So yeah, we got Charles and Jordan now, guys. We got Charles and Jordan. What do you guys? We gonna do side bets. Devon's quiet. Just members on Zoom, just check what Gino says. You can put the speed on 1.5 to speed it up. I don't know what that means, but maybe it'll have this delay. There is no lag. There's like a slight lag, like a 5, not even, couple second lag on YouTube. Yeah, it's very. I've got the low latency setting on, so it decreased the quality a little bit, but gave you guys that proper ping What do you call it? If ping, whatever. Okay, boys. The winner is obviously the one that's going to be standing. Let's see here. Charles or Jordan? Sorry, Jordan. It's not your day, son. We thought it was Jordan's day. It's not his day, guys. Charles, you are the Charles, you are the winner of the $10,000 vault funded challenge. Congratulations, my brother. Can we get a W Charles in the chat? Can we get a W Charles in the chat for winning the 10K vault funded challenge? Can we get a... Can't do it. Yeah. Can we get a W... My man. My man. I want to check what? Horse. Okay, boys. So first giveaway is done. $10,000 giveaway, Charles. You just need to send me your email address and we'll issue that account to you today, my brother. Congrats on that. Second giveaway coming up. 1 month for free with me. 1 month for free membership. Let's see it. So same thing. Guys, put a 1 in the chat if we should exclude the 3 people that were contestants. Let's see. Okay, so Jordan doesn't want to be part of it. That's fine. We can't allow Charles to win again because he just won. Just as like right now, Charles. Yes, see this guy. Yeah. Okay. Let's do it. Let me go get the link again so you guys can see me get the link. But literally, guys, actually, I'm not going to. It's literally the same link. Okay. 11. Get the YouTube comments. 31 people. We're gonna do top 5 this time. Let's make it fun. Top 5. There could be possible top 5 winners. Okay, let's do it. Everybody can come back in. Let's see who's the first contestant of the top 5. Vince. Is Vince here? Is Vince here? Vince isn't here. Oh, he's there. Okay, Vince is here, guys. Vince is here. Vince is the first one. Vince is that first one. Oh, this thing is testing my maths today. Why didn't it go through? Second contestant. Let's see. Mr. Matt Fior. Mr. Fior Skater. Mr. Matt Fior Skater. This is nice though because it's for the membership. So even the Americans, you guys can win as well. So you guys can benefit from this lovely as well. 2 plus 3 is 7,365. Third contestant, who's this going to be? Juliet Mukiri. Juliet, just comment in the chat if you are here. Juliet, we need to hear from you. Juliet, are you in the chat? Juliet. I'm gonna give you like a minute. She is here. She is here. Just checking something here. Okay, so Juliet is here. Let's do another roll. 12. Kyle Holmes. Is Kyle Holmes here? Is Mr. Holmes here? Kyle Holmes, let's hear from you. Are you here? Yes, he is here. Okay. And then our last entrant, who shall that be? Show it again. The final entrant, who is that going to be? Let's see. Chad Alex. Right, guys. So, the five contenders for the second giveaway for today is Vince, Matt, Juliet, Kyle, and Chad. Okay. Let's take their names over here. So it's Vince. Oopsie. Chad and Chad. Cool. So these are interns. 1, 2, 3. Who am I missing? Oh, Matt. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, guys. These are the contestants for today's second giveaway. Let's see who's eliminated first. Last man standing obviously wins it. We're gonna go through this choppy. Okay, Matt, that is your first life gone. Juliet, first life gone. Yeah, first life. Matt, you're out of the game. Your tribe has spoken. Yeah, bring your torch, you are out of the game, bro. Not the first time I heard that. Don't worry, I'd miss me too. Yo, this guy. Okay, let's shuffle it up a little bit. Let's shuffle it up a bit. Who was that? I didn't even see who got eliminated. Who's Vince? Was that Vince? Carl. Okay, Carl. Okay, Vince. That's half your Shamrock Pie gone, champion. Who's that? Chad. Ooh, that was so close. Chad, it's top 4. Yeah. Okay. Vince, sorry, bro. One poop away from stop loss. Yeah. It's up to Juliet, Carl, and Chad, who's walking away with the prize. Ooh, that is so close. That is so close. Juliet, Askis, I'm sorry. Okay, Chad or Carl? Last man standing is obviously the winner. Chad, congratulations. You are the winner. Carl, you're the weakest link. Goodbye. So yeah, Chad. Chad, Alex. 1 month free membership, bro. Well done. GG's, boys. That is today's giveaways. The winners are Charles, $10,000 Vault Finder Challenge, and then Chad, 1 month free subscription with MFX. GG's, boys. Okay, so now price is approaching that 15-minute closure. If we can get closure beneath the level and tap back in the drive, I will short GJ this morning. Go. Beautiful LT on the left hand side. So as long as we can get beneath, we can sit there a bit, tap in the drive, I'll take those sells. Can we get doubles in the chat for those winners, boys? Yes, like Josh. It's exactly like that. Okay, so we should get a notification now that price is obviously breaking that area. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, 15 closure coming up. Let's see if price can close beneath. The thing is, even if price closes beneath, guys, I need a nearby resistance. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to use the top wick of the forming candle as a stop loss, which isn't the problem. I would just prefer price to have that top wick, that resistance point. Stop loss it. Next time, bro. Next time. Yes. I would like. Look, the thing is, guys, like regardless of whatever, I need price to close beneath here. In order for me to catch the trade, I need price to close beneath. If we can do that, then I should be fine. Because we want to use this as a resistance point, which will be there. If price do something like that. Okay. Got about 3 minutes to their close as well. Okay, then this is the other condition I'm gonna put on the trade. If it drives too far, I'm gonna have to wait for that resistance point. Because remember, I want this trade with momentum. That's what I want. So at the moment, it's perfect, absolutely perfect. We're trading in a gorgeous LTA as well, so I don't see why price should not just fall once I'm in the position. Obviously, I have my key points that I've marked out. That will be target areas for me. Other than that, it should be good. Okay, you see now what's nice is we're trading beneath it. That's exactly what I wanted. Now we're going to use that as a resistance point and then look to trade after that. So on this 15, if price is going to break those lows, which it should have closed, yes, I need a top wick. If I can get a top wick and it breaks lows, I will take the position, boys. It's gonna be about looks like a 30 pip stop loss so far. Our target is gonna be about 28 pips. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at right now. I've got this 15 close. I am seeing price grab liquidity. I'm not gonna take it on the flip, however, just because there's not an actual 5 resistance there. So what I'm gonna do in this case is wait for price to tap back in and grab liquidity, and as it starts to break the previous low, then I'll actually go ahead and get involved. Okay, on the left hand side, I've got a gorgeous LTA that I'm looking to trade into as well, beneath a level of support. And then on the daily, as I've mentioned, we are trading beneath that area that I was going on about the whole time. See, so now I have everything I want. Literally everything I want right now. So at this point, whilst we are chilling here, we just wait. I don't know. Good morning, man. Yeah, so this is going to be the patience game right now. What I'm actually doing is I'm going to pop in sell stops. Sell stops 194078. Okay. Because our price is doing right now, if we get the position, this will then just be the grab of liquidity which we need. Okay, so I've got pending sell stops right there, 194078. Target 1 will obviously be our 10. And the rest will run to that area of 20 pips. And this is what I plan on doing this morning. If price closes back in the range, there is nothing I can do. Yeah, I can't do anything. You have to wait. If that is the case, that closes back in the range before we get executed, I'll just have to be patient and wait. But at the moment, this for me is just price grabbing liquidity off of a level that it just came from. So it broke that level, as you can see over there. This is price retesting grabbing liquidity, which it needs to do. And then we don't take it at the flip, we take it at the break of the lows in order for price to continue driving further. This is one thing I can mention now. If it drives deeper, then we can do the flip. Why? Because then it has the liquidity it needs. And yeah, this stays bullish until 192895. It stays bullish. 100%, Brandon. Well said. If 5 close bullish, can we take it on the break of the floor? Yes. Yes. So if this closes bullish 5 minutes, the break of the floor, you can take it because that will be a 15-minute flip. So then the entry can come there now. You see, that's fine. Then your entry can become more aggressive, but at the moment, can't. But if the 15 closes bullish, and I mean, if the 5 closes bullish and the 15 flips, can definitely take that. Okay, so that 5 would have now closed bullish. Yeah, the break of this 5, I'll take that shorts. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be slightly more aggressive now with this entry because of that. So my entry will now be 194,169. Because after grabbing liquidity, this is going to flip back bearish. I want to be in, which gives me a large runoff. And then my stop, well, I'll keep it at 30, to be honest with you. So now this trade could turn into a possible 37 pip trade. Okay, so moving my style stops there. 194,169. The flip of this 15 will make me want to be in the position. Come into your hourly close as your 30 close as well. But the idea is based off of the 15. So if this closes back above, I have to remove the style stops. Because this idea is being based right now off of price actually flipping the low. Okay. Oh, that makes sense. And then the only time I can buy it will obviously be up here. I won't take it so aggressive down here. Charles, did you send me that email address? Took you 1 minute to hit TP? Yeah. Okay, nice. Bit of a waiting game for you, but let up. Yeah. Yeah, math. Yeah. My thing will always like stem off the idea that like when you took the trade, whether you're in the trade for 5 seconds, 5 minutes, or 5 hours, doesn't really matter. But when you took that trade, you took it for a specific reason. Your criteria was met, your confluences was met, you know? You took it for a specific reason. Until you get like reasoning where you can see the candlestick anatomy is just not in your favor and it's going to need stop loss, but there is a management point, then you can look to obviously manage the position. But until then, there should not be a need for you to want to jump out of the trade early. Because you must remember, obviously when you're in the trade, you get mentally fatigued. So your brain starts getting to a point where you just want to get out. Why put risk on the table if your plan is just to jump out of the trade midway? Allow the trade to play out. Even if you lose, allow the trade to play out because it's going to teach you something. Okay, you got closed on that 5 in like a couple seconds. I just want to see how that 5 closes. Because we can clearly see we're rejecting this area. Which is quite nice to see if we are to take that flip of the 15. Got like 5 minutes to do the flip of the 15, and then I'll reassess to see if it's still something I want. Other than that, guys, are we good? YouTube, are we good? Okay, that's your 5-minute close. It is weak bullish, so that sell stops are still fine for me. Definitely still fine for me. What is this? Yeah, 30 is fine as well. Just if I take this, I'm gonna have to extend that stop to above that candle for 35 pips, 34. If I do take this, I think the only way I would not want to take the trade, guys, is if price closes back above the level or in liquidity. Then I'll have to wait for the next candle to form. You with me? Because I can't be trading on a candle like that. I would love the idea though if this candle, so I'll keep the sell stops. But if this candle does something like this, where it's open now, it's made its bottom wick, it drives up, grabs liquidity, but closes weak bullish like that, with a large top wick like that. Okay, that would then give me the idea and the way to say that, you know what, we've grabbed liquidity, we've popped below, we've grabbed liquidity on the upside, we do that, price should then tank. Okay, and this will literally be that little pause before price continues going further on that 30 minute. Okay, that would be really nice to see. Obviously, if it wants to go now, it goes now, but this would be great to see if we can get something like that where this can actually close weak bullish. Because at the moment, if I do get triggered, like I said, stops is there for 34. But I'm going to prefer this idea where price closes weak bullish in the next 2 minutes and then we take it. But on the next candle, we need a top wick first as well. If we can get the top wick, then we can look for price to break the lows and then continue further down. Vince, I saw your message. I'm just going to confirm with you by the end of today. Gold looks terrible to trade. Yeah, that's why I didn't even bother analyzing gold. I could see it last week already. Like, this is just not an area that I'm interested in. I'm just not interested in that area, regardless of these little short-term moves. Remember, even though we only day trade, right? The idea still stems off of that long-term vision. That's how we get our confluences. Okay, closure in a minute. For now, I'm still going to leave that sell stop there. Yeah, so for that, that's fine now. And then obviously if we're gonna close above, so if we close above the level 194393, then I'll remove that pending orders. Okay, so we are closing back above, guys. Okay, so for now, guys, I'm gonna remove that pending orders. Okay, so that sell stops I'm going to remove right now, just because we are still sizzling at this level. So even if price can goes further, I need a reconfirmation, like another confirmation. So even if price drops right now, it is what it is. I'm gonna need to wait for price to close beneath here, man. Especially because we just closed back above the level. If we close weak bullish or something like that, then I could have done the flip of the candle, no problem. I could have done the break of the lows, no problem. But because we closed back above the level, even though I can still understand that it could be a retest, that's gonna be too far aggressive for me to just take it there when price is trading above the level. It's holding that level of support. We can see it right now. Okay, so those sell stops I have removed. Okay, with that being said, guys, just for like 5 minutes. I'll be back shortly. Not even 5 minutes, like 2 minutes. But in the meantime, any questions, do let me know. We gotta play the waiting game. We gotta wait. Okay, I'll be back shortly. Okay, I'm definitely keen to see how G is gonna close in the next 15. Actually, that just changed the mix right now. Okay, resistance has formed. There's your retest. That is quite nice for continuation further down. I just have to wait for whatchamacallit. One of two things, guys. I can either wait for the break of this low, which will be the 5-minute floor that's been breaking, and I can take it impulsively, or I'll wait for this 15 to close beneath, and then I can take it on the next candle that breaks the lows. One of those two. Either way, I have to wait. What's today? The 7th. Basically sitting at this level, eh? And you'll notice this is at the bodies over there. Okay guys, I'm gonna stream till about 10:30. Then I'm gonna go private with the MFX members. If you want to be part of that, obviously just join the mentorship group. Yeah, I'm gonna hop off at 10:30. Got about 7 to that 15. Also looking at possible scenarios where, because you've made now a new current data low, which is going to be there now, possible scenarios because you're tapping into major liquidity, if you could look for longs from this position. Yeah, for me it's definitely only going to be above there, boys. So if we can get engulfing for price to trade back above there, then I will look for longs. Other than that, we can't go long yet. even that will be quite tough because I mean we're going to be trading at a micro resistance point, which is where price right where I have my cursor right now, 194,831. I'll need price to hop above that, then I can look to get involved. Because that will be 15 close. Yeah, 15 close. Do you have any questions? Everybody good? Perfect. Yeah. Overall, is bearish, but the way price is set up right now on the 30-minute is quite bullish. I won't lie to you. The 30-minute is definitely bullish. But the overall structure is bearish. 4 hours still bearish as well. Daily still bearish as well. Yeah, I reject quite a lot. That was that area that I mentioned, the daily bodies. But we gotta see. This is obviously your chop area, so we gotta see right now. That song is my head as well. The whole time, dude. Okay, 2 minutes to the 15 close. I was on price to close. Preferably beneath the level. Then it's an easy trade. Then it's a very easy trade. Yeah, the 15 is gonna close now, but it seems like it might just close in this liquidity. Okay, so it's indecision on the 15. Nothing we can do as of yet. Now I need to wait for 30 close, boys. because of that indecision. Do you want to? Okay. Yo, minute. You can. I haven't played it in a while. Closure, bro. I have to get closure now. I can't do impulse. I can't take it impulsively. If it had a larger topic, I could have done it, but I can't right now. I need to actually wait for it to close beneath there. Because now that's holding support. No, look, the setup's there. But I need that confirmation, man. And that is only going to come at 10. I could take it impulsively at the break of the 5-minute floor. And then my stop will be, so my stop will be like this. Like that. So it should be large too. I'm not prepared to risk 40 pips today. Go. So guys, let's do a quick little wordle. Keep us busy while we wait. When last did we actually do a wordle? In a minute. I haven't done a wordle in a hot minute. Let's see, I can leave this like that. Pop wordle. Okay, what is today's word? Let's start with Forex and then we can work it from there. If in the right place involves an O and an R, what can it be? So 5-letter word. If it's in the right place, X is there, O is there, but it's in the wrong place. What could the word be? Doesn't have an E, doesn't have a... Froth. Let's try it. F-R-O-T-H. Froth. Let's try it. So O is in the right place. R is in the word. Floor. F-L-O-O-R. Floor. Okay, so F-L is there. Any guesses? Flower. Brandon with flower. Flower. GG's, Brandon. Well done. So today's word is flower. Okay. That went way quicker than I thought it would go. Yeah, only one today. Although I do actually have a few that, because you haven't done it for so long, but I don't think it works again. I think just one a day. Yeah, it's one a day. GeoGuessr, you guys want to do GeoGuessr while I wait, just to pass time? Nah, it'll be quick. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes around. We can do 3 of them. On this, guys, I need closure. I can't just take the cells, unfortunately. Single player. I never know how to do this, but why don't I just do the normal round? What is this? The famous bun meat bun dish is named after this city. Bun meat bun. What did I just... Looks like German vibes, eh? What did it say? Hamburger. Hamburg. Where's that? Where's Hamburg? Where is Hamburg? I don't know. I don't know where Hamburg is. Hamburg. Here we go, Hamburg. Okay, there's Hamburg right there. Yes, alright. We got it right. GG's. GG's. You know what I sure thought? Hamburg, Germany, soccer? Didn't think of that. GG's, bro. Small, very salt fish are said to have gotten their name from this island. Very salt fish. I love the English. What's a salty fish? It's an island. Sardinia. I have no idea what this is. This must be a European country. Because I'm looking at the cars. I think that's always my go-to is what cars is there? Where is this? Look at that spoiler. Yo, look at my man with his spoiler. What is that? Looks like a estate. There's an Opel estate. What is it? Or like a wagon vibe. What is that? Why put the spoiler on? Where is this? I don't know where this is. It's quite nice though. It looks like a nice place. Top left above Malta. Mediterranean Sea. Yo, where is this place? Italy. What do I know? Like which one though? This one? Or just like somewhere random here? Which one should we choose? Marsala. Almost. 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 GG's. Stadiums. Yo, how many fans of football do I have? Let's try stadiums. Nope. Not gonna get this. There are two teams that share the stadium and it goes under two different names. I don't know, bro. I shouldn't have done stadiums. What do I have here? Hotel? I have no idea. I don't know where this is. Where is this? Anybody know where this is? Let's check the boards. Don't know why it shows stadiums. B&B Hotel. Green Street Hooligans. What's the name of the stadium? They don't say the name of the stadium. Wait, I saw something. I saw a board. They don't give the name of the stadium. That's the thing. Would have been easy if we had the name of the stadium, but they don't give the name of the stadium. Give me a clue, man. Give me a clue. Okay. Oh, Inter Milan. Got you. Inter Milan. Where is that? Italy. So this is in Milan. Yes. You see that? TP hit. Religious players, historical buildings. I don't know. Which one are we going for? Historical buildings or food places? Not doing religious places. Historic buildings. Let's try that. What is this? No way. Is this Alcatraz? Wait, bro, isn't this Resurgence? Wait a minute. Is this not Resurgence? It is. Look at, yeah, this is Alcatraz. Where is Alcatraz though? I don't even know where Alcatraz is. Bro, this is the Call of Duty map. No ways. No ways. You know how many people I've killed in this building? Bro, that is crazy. You know how many times Darren died in the silo? That is crazy. Can somebody tell me where's Alcatraz? It's a prison. Yeah? Where's Alcatraz, boys? I don't know where Alcatraz is, I'm being very honest with you. I don't know where it is. Where is that prison? Alcatraz, anybody know it? Do we know where the prison Alcatraz is? Where's that? San Francisco. No. How does it go? North, you keep passing. Where? I found San Francisco, it's right there. But like, where's Alcatraz? Looking for an island to buy mountain? No. South on the island. What? Where? Am I missing this, guys? 15 seconds. I'm not gonna get it. Wow. Okay. See, like, that's my thing. Like, I don't know, bro. It's not gonna be part of it. We know it's Alcatraz. Where is this? Please show me where it is. Okay, so we got it right. Okay, so it's there. They put Alcatraz there. There's like image in my head that would be like very far, very deserted. Okay, but Jiggis was fun. We have a minute to closure. Might get a trade here. 15 seconds. Closure beneath. Tap into grab liquidity. The break of the floor. I'll take it. Can't do it. Who knows why I can't take that trade right now? Damn. Could have had it. No bottom wick though, boys. No bottom wick, man. No bottom wick. I can't take it. Only time I can take is a break of the current daily lows. But what I want to do right now, can't do it. See, and if I do what I want to do, let's make a 35 stop. So look, I can take the break of the current daily low. I can do that. But what I wanted was this candle, which it did, close beneath. Perfect. Wow. But needed a bottom wick, which I didn't get. Then I needed a top wick, which I got now. So it would have been a perfect trade. But I can't take it then. I can only take it here. 194, 100. Okay. So I'm looking to enter 194, 100. It's going to be the rebreak of the current daily low. Stop loss is going to be at the body of the previous 30 for 35 pips. Target will be 29 pips. TP 110. Okay, I hope you guys understand why I couldn't just take it there. I have to wait now. So now, if you can break current daily low, I will take the position. But I can't take it on a candle that doesn't have a previous bottom wick immediately. I have to then wait. This will be too big. Yeah, look, if I had my SL above that, would have been too big. But that's the one. 35 pips is not a big deal. It's totally fine. So, personally, I would love for this to pull right back, grab liquidity, and then re-break the lows. Then I take the sells.
My bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, this is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm that. Look in the mirror like, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is all mine. Look in the mirror like, go get it. I gotta get to the scenos. I gotta get to the bag now. I can't be chasing on these. They getting, they feeling and dragged down. That's why they just crash out. Stuck in the selling this man down. Life getting gone in a flash now.
Okay, so we understand what's happening, right? Anybody have any questions, let me know. But this is what I am looking at the moment. Is going to be priced to re-break the lows, and I'll take the sells. However, I wanted to grab liquidity, which it is. So I can actually go ahead and do this, guys. Just going to put sell stops. This is what I'm going to be doing now. Is pending. Is going to be here. 194. 083. That's why I'm doing pending sell stops. Go. Stop loss will be up here for 35 pips. Just above that wick. Go. This is my trade for the morning. GP1 will secure partials and with the rest run. Yeah, right? Who are you using? Yeah, they're perfect. Perfect, yeah. Spread is... No, sell stop is 0.83. The 100 is a current daily low. Let me remove that so you guys don't get confused, but that is my current daily low. Okay. Sell stops is at 0.83. That's why I have my sell stops. Yeah, my spread at the moment is 0.6. The more it sits, the better. So the more it can form resistance and a floor to break, the better for me. So this is perfect. What price is doing right now is perfect, because the understanding would be that after it pops up to grab liquidity, if it re-breaks its low, we want to be in that trade. So, yeah, man. Patience game. Patience, patience, patience. And that 15 closes about 7 minutes away. If this 15 closes bullish, boys, back in the range, it won't be a trade I'll be taking. But if it closes like weak bullish, that's also fine. That will be just a pause candle and the rebreak of the lows. I'll then definitely want to be in it. So that's still fine. But if this candle does close back strong bullish now, just remove those sell stops. But for now, everything's still fine. And obviously where we are struggling is that place that I mentioned. Is going to be this liquidity area right here. You can see it. But now we should be using it as a resistance point for price to continue going further down. So we should drop. I want this to close weak bullish 5. Give me that floor. Next one, tap in and break the lows. Perfect. That's perfect. Okay, everything is perfect as planned. So now I have a floor, which means that if price breaks, that price should continue further down. And that is also where your current daily low is sitting. However, like I mentioned, if this closes too strong bullish, I'm not going to take it. But what it's doing right now is perfect. Also, if this does trigger us in now, there's going to be a place of management. Actually, I can actually start putting that stop tighter if I wanted to. Two minutes to 15 close. This 15 is gonna close now as well. So it's indecision at the level. Yo. I never knew there's Jordan and you guys are the same now. It's like a close like this as well. I'm still fine with it also. 15 minutes. Okay, we need the top wick first. Okay, we're gonna get the close in 7 seconds. We need the top wick first on this, boys. On this candle, we need the top wick first. Got the top wick. Yeah, if she can break the low, I definitely want to be in. Very close to being activated here, boys. Okay, boys, that is me in GJ cells right now. Looking for that TP1. It's going to be that 10 pip mark. And then the rest will just leave running. Yeah, so sell stops got triggered. I will actually manage that stop right now, boys, to 30 pips. Okay, so the stop loss in this trade is 30 pips. Let's see if we can continue going further down. It should. It just broke that 5-minute floor. 15 also closed in continuation, lower lows, lower highs. She should just overrun. Okay, so as you would have seen, the stop was like 36, 35 pips. I've just managed it to that 30 pip mark. Personally, I don't want this trade to come back up to that resistance point, so I will not want to be in the trade if it taps those highs. But at the moment, let's see how she goes. TP1 will be 10, overall TP is 29 pips. Obviously, there is a large run off, but for me personally, boys, all I'm doing is targeting the bottom of the range. So if we look to the left hand side, do you see the range here? Range high, that's where we're trading from, to range low. All I want is the range low. We can look for all of that for sure. Come here, look for all of that for sure, but it's not what I'm after today. I just want the range low and I'm fine with that. So this is a type 3 execution because you are going against that bullish sentiment. However, we see what's happening, reading the anatomy of the candles. We can see that price can continue going further down. So this is a type 3 setup, which is obviously reversal. Anticipating that on that 4-hour as well, you're coming back to grab liquidity at these lows of quarter pip. I'm not going to target that, but the understanding is there. Oh, we are actually in, so yeah, can remove that. Any question, guys, just let me know as we are in the trade of GJ South. Got your 5 resistance there as well, it's nice. So look, I have the stop now, it's perfect. Got resistance 1 and resistance 2. If it breaks both of those, then obviously I don't want to be in the trade, so I'm quite happy with where the stop loss is. But we should literally just be using this area of liquidity to continue driving further down. And then you've got your 4-hour close in the next 12 minutes. I'm not too phased with that, to be honest with you. But I do know on the next 4-hour, it's going to make a top wick. Hopefully not in the trade by that time, but that is something to note. Five close also coming now. 1 minute. Who's drawing on my screen? Okay, so at the moment we're pricing right now. Let me just get rid of this annotation. This should just be price retesting, because we're literally doing something like this. So now that we have that 5 resistance there, which is very nice. Yes, it's fine for the grab liquidity. I really don't mind. I actually prefer it because that means that the move should be larger. Yeah. I'm fine with everything. So the reason why I manage that position, because I don't want it to pop back above liquidity, which it shouldn't. So I'm going to keep it there, 30 pips. I'm fine with that. So all we want right now is, look, let's grab the liquidity. I personally don't feel like it should break any 15 highs. However, we need to actually break through the current 15 low, and then price can continue going further down. So that is what I am looking at this morning. You also have your candlestick bodies on the left hand side right there, so they can also act as a current resistance for you. Yes. Oh my word, that is actually where price is rejecting. I love to see that. Remove that. See, what's different now is, because you're bullish, let's say this is the play. Let's say I lose this trade, it closes back above there. I can then look for longs as a type 2 because your 3-minute is bullish. If that is the case and the trade doesn't continue going further down, and this was then just a deep retracement for price to grab liquidity and it starts closing back above there, I can look for those longs. I just want to remove these areas so it's not so cluttered. Because my thing is, it should not be breaking those highs. Yes, there is liquidity, and that is why I'm still allowing the trade to run. Because on a normal day, I would have my stop above that 15, because then the anatomy is not there. But because there's liquidity right there, it can still reject for sure. So this now is no longer a no trade range. It actually becomes my aggressive buy area because of what just happened. But let's see, we got 4-hour close in 5 as well. Let's see what happens. Okay, 5 minutes till 4-hour close. losing 5? Really? Let's have a look. What is it? No major news coming up. But if even this, what is it? Slight news. I don't really worry about that, to be honest. We definitely have a reaction, but it's not really a thing for me. I only focus on moderate to high impact news, because it's literally like news. If you focus on low impact news, it's gonna be news literally every 5 minutes. So I can't allow that to dictate my trading. We literally need the break of the floor. This should be good. That'll be the flip again on that 1530 as well. Continuation, rebreak of lows. But like I mentioned, if I do lose this trade, which I highly doubt, but if I do, and price close back above it, that's going to be my type 2 setup for longs. But we should not lose this trade because everything is there. All the alignments there, confluence is there. This should break, this should retest, grab liquidity. The break of the floor is all we need right now. If we can get the break of the floor, she should tank. Just bear in mind, we do have 4-hour close in the next 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Do you guys see how NFP affected GJ on Friday? That was crazy. That's obviously with yen and dollar relations. Okay, so pretty much a break even right now. Like I mentioned, boys, we got that 4-hour open in the next minute. 2 minutes, sorry. So we're all aware of that. I'm just not going to allow it to do anything to my trade. Sorry, what did you say, D? Yeah, look, on this 4-hour, I'm going to anticipate a topic. It needs to happen. And then the rule of thumb is if it doesn't give the topic but it drives down to TP1, I'm closing full position at TP1 because I know it's going to make the topic on the 4-hour. Yeah, yellow. What did you say? Yellow fold. So it's low impact, man. It's nothing that we. Yeah, that sounds like what news is there? But it's yellow folder, so there is news, but it's low impact news. So there shouldn't really be something massively crazy about it. See, we didn't break that floor. We need a break of the floor, man. Once you get the break of the floor, it should drop. Everything's still looking normal at the moment. I'm gonna say it again because it's my favorite, one of my favorite type setups. Weak bullish candle, top wick, break of the floor, should tank us. So I kind of want this to close where it is right now, weak bullish, because then it will solidify support. Break of the support should drive in volume, and that's for any area of the matter, support or resistance. Okay, 11 o'clock. That's the 4-hour open. Guys, we don't have a top wick, which is not the best thing to see. So we're going down with no top wick at the moment. I'm going to leave it. The thing is, I know it's going to make a top wick. So if we reach TP1, I'm going to close full position. Go. For me, there's no need for us to come up. Yes, it's a 4-hour, so that's why, okay, yes, we need to make a top pick. But regarding it, like if we look at it from a liquidity perspective, we don't need to, if we are to drive down, that is the case, we don't need to come all the way up again. We have liquidity. We've been sitting there. 5 came up, grabbed liquidity right there. On how many occasions? 4, 5 occasions. So there's no need for it to come up. The only reason why I would say it needs to come up is because the 4 hour is no topic, and we know how adamant I am about candlestick anatomy. So for me personally, guys, I'm probably gonna close the full position at TP1 and then go to break even, obviously, depending on how it obviously runs right now. But at TP1, it's a definite break even for me. Because now we're breaking the floors. 4 hour broke floor. Hourly broke floor. Only thing I'm gonna say is there's no topic, man. But if it is to go down from a liquidity perspective, it doesn't need that topic right now. Management of the trade, I'm not going to do anything at the moment. I'll just allow the trade to do what it needs to do. Because it can literally come up, make a topic, then re-break those lows. So I don't want to be too aggressive with that management on the trade. I'll just allow it to do what it needs to do. So now it should, like, so close to the topic, it should come up to make the topic. And then obviously we just want to see it rebreak lows. Because the moment you identify that you are in a 5-minute range, this is the range you're in right now. See, so that news came out as when there wasn't really a fix. So that's a nice little learning curve for you guys as well. Like, we don't pay attention to low impact news, more just moderate to high. Five close coming up the next couple of seconds. Okay, we're breaking those lows right now, breaking the previous. Can she continue, man? Like I mentioned, from a liquidity perspective, it doesn't need that topic. But the 4 hour, how often do you get a 4 hour no topic? Well, not to say that has to happen immediately, but most of the time it happens at the beginning of the session, the 4 hour session. It was close to make a topic, but it didn't make one. So at the moment, still just hovering at the break-even point. You see, so like with there's always going to be the slight difference. So that's why I choose one to focus on. I focus on that. So personally, I focus on trading view data more so than broker data, because they're always going to like, there's always possibilities that candles can conflict each other. How deep are we? Pushed about 7% profit. Leave it. Leave it. Still allowing the trade open. Still allowing it to run. Just leaving it. Five. Yeah, that should hit my TP, man. The way it's sitting up on that 5 as well, breaking that floor now. It should not come in, you know, pop all the way back up. I'll be quite surprised if it does, so I highly doubt it, man. If we stutter around the 9 pip mark, I'm just gonna go to break even. But 7 is still a bit early for me to do anything. I need to still allow the trade to actually play out. I think that is the issue at the moment, the no topic. But like I mentioned, guys, like I mentioned, you have the liquidity. Price has the liquidity. It's not a must that it needs to make that topic at this point. Would obviously be nice, but it's not a must right now. So like at this point, like it's so close to making that topic. We wanted to go and make that topic. And that's why, like, when I was in 7% profit, it's no point in me going to break even at that point. Yes, I can, what we do, capital preservation, but the trade is still very valid. It's breaking those lows as well, 5-minute lows being broken as well. Personally, I just want that 4-hour topic, man. And look, if we can get the 4-hour topic and then the re-break of the lows, then it should tank beautifully. Is a big one. Mr. Ed, brother, how are you? MFX members in the Zoom, do you guys understand the concept of that? What I'm been speaking about the whole time, liquidity, etc. Get you sell in 6 bearish candle on 30-minute, and when 4-hour candle not make top wick. I'm not too sure what you asking, my brother. Mr. Oh mate, not too sure, my brother, what you're asking. Okay, boys, we literally like a couple pips on that. I'm gonna go to break even over there, boys. We literally came about 0.6 pips away from TP, so I'm not gonna allow it to, you know, pull me right back to break even and then lose the position because of no topic. So this is how I'm managing the trade right now. The trade ran 9.4 pips into profit. There's no need for me to go and lose the trade right now after breaking those lows. So this is what I've done right now. I just went and moved to break even on the position, and that is my management plan. Okay, hope you guys understand that. But a big thing for me is that there is no topic, as I have mentioned. So there's no ways I'm gonna go 0.4 pips away from my TP to go and lose the trade. I hope that makes sense. But at the moment we're still riding. Let's see if she can continue further down. Go. We're breaking. I just want to like pop that up so we can see the color. Because my thing is this, man, like, regardless of what happens now, you have the liquidity. It's there. The liquidity is there. It does not need to come in and make that top wick. But, like I said, I just went to break even because it makes 0 sense for me to lose this trade if I'm 0.4 pips away from my target. And there is obviously that opposing confluence, which is no topic on the 4 hour. But like I mentioned, it's not a must right now. And then you got 15 closure in the next 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. But it's a risk-free trade, so. I think what he's asking is why would you enter on the 6 bearish candle on the 30-minute and with the 4 not having top wick? There's no, like, well, according to my strategy, there's nothing in existence that makes me count how many bearish candles there is. First of all, there can be a million bearish candles as long as there is support and resistance that is found as strong areas of liquidity. I'm fine with that. And not having a 4 hour topic, I did explain that like a million times. So yeah, boys, that is me out at break even. That's me out at break even. That's going to be a break even trade for me today. I'll put a 1 in the chat if you understood my reasoning behind my management. So the trade literally ran like 9.4 pips in profit, literally 0.6 pips away from target. But is it target? No. So I'm not going to take. And then also number 2, why would I leave a trade like that open, knowing that there's no topic to turn out to be a losing trade? You with me? So that is why I played it like that today. That's going to be a break-even trade for me. I don't think I'm going to take another trade because it is 11:15. So it looks like it's going to be a break-even day for me today. 1 trade taken, 1 break-even. I think I'm going to call it there. However, boys, I just want to say thanks for joining this morning. If you don't have any, well, if you don't understand the trade, let me know. I'll run through it. But for the winners for today, Charles, congrats on the $10,000 Vault Finder Challenge, and Chad for your free month of MFX membership. Charles will get support to send that account to you today. And then, guys, doesn't seem like we have any questions. So I think I'm going to go ahead and call this session there. Another lovely trade taken this morning. Just shy of that target 1. However, break even, which was the way we should have managed the trade, happened perfectly. So yeah, man, hope you guys have learned today. Have a lovely day further, and I'll see you guys tomorrow Cheers. God bless. I'm out.
Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. It's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job. Just how I should. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. It's understood. Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. It's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job. Just how I should. I'm feeling numb. I lost my soul. It's on the run. I need a spot. I need some fun. I'm in the dark. Like what's